We'll guide you through how to download and install the Instagram app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Instagram is a social media. On there you can go and have an account and you can follow others and have followers. You can go and see others' posts and reels, and you can go and post your own as well. And there's Instagram stories as well, where you can go and see what people have posted on there and post yourself. So we're going to guide you through how you can get the app. First of all, you do need to go and have a connection. So make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular or mobile data. Next, you want to go and open up the Play Store like so. At the bottom, you want to go and press search like this. I found this to be the quickest way to go and find the app. You can probably go and browse through it, but I find this to be quickest. So you can go and press the search bar at the top and go and type in Instagram. We can then go and search for it. And hopefully you're then going to go and find it here, as you can see. Now what you can do is you can go over to the right and press install, or click on it and press install down here. Now you want to go and wait. Shortly it's going to go and begin downloading. You can go and see that it's downloading here. And then it's going to go and install. Hopefully it won't go and take too much longer. When it's finished, it can then go and open it from the Play Store, as you can see, or alternatively, we can go and find it on our phones. We can go and swipe up and swipe across. And there is Instagram. So you can go and tap it here or tap and hold it and press that to home. Then you can tap on it. It'll go and open. You'll need to go and create an account if you haven't already got one, or if you do, you can go and log in and you can then go and start using it.